How to download any videos from any websites on Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can download any videos from any website in your Chrome browser. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Google Chrome and at the top search bar, type in Video Downloader Chrome extension. As you do so, you will see Chrome Web Store. Click onto the first search result and you will see an extension that says Video Downloader Professional. Now go ahead and add that to Chrome and click on to add extension. Now add that extension. Now go ahead and pin that extension for your ease and search for any videos that you would like to download. Then simply click on this download button, and just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.